Have you ever wondered, Zepto, Uber, GPay, Netflix, ने अपना लाइफ काफ़ी इजी कर दिया है. We talk about Zepto, 2-3 बटन में सामान घर पे डिलीवर हो जाता है, कैश देने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Moving on to Uber, Ola, लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व किया है. रिक्शा नहीं मिलती है तो मीटर्स रिग्ड होते हैं, छुट्टा नहीं है. Everything sorted, solved by Uber, Ola. Moving to GPay, we don't carry cash anymore. टपरी पे पैसा भर सकते हो. Fancy restaurant में भी also you can GPay. Coming to Netflix, all the movies available on one platform, one under the other. Life has been easy. The rationale behind all this is that when all these brands, especially whether it's a product, service, or a mobile app, when it was designed, the customer was kept in mind. Customer ke problem solve kiye the. So the logic, the thought process is that the thinking that goes in designing these brands has been completely changed. When we talk about design thinking here, we are not talking about how the product looks on the surface. We are talking about how it functions. And that function makes life easy for customers, as in the case of all the brands I mentioned. So in this video, we're going to talk about what is design thinking and what are the lenses of design thinking. To start with, as Steve Jobs quoted, most people make the mistake of thinking design is what it looks like. It's just not what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. So it's all about functionality, keeping the user in mind. So design thinking is more about a problem-solving approach from the user's perspective. It is about having a philosophy of making sure that anything that is done is made sure that customer के लिए वो function easy पड़ जाता है. Let's talk about cars today. Few years back, when you had to charge a mobile phone in a car, you had those wires, different for Android, different for iPhone. And today, if you see, most of these cars have something called as a wireless charging desk right next to the driver, making life easy for us. That's a classic case of understanding the struggles of a consumer in a car and having a problem-solving approach. That is what design thinking is all about. So the focus of design thinking has been shifted from a business-centric approach to a customer-centric approach. A business-centric approach is based on the assumption कि हम product को launch करेंगे और बाद में जाके customer को product बेचेंगे. No. The move to customer-centric approach says, let's study the consumer first. Let's understand their background. Let's see how they behave and think. Gain insights into what they need and then design a product around it. So all the successful apps, products or services that you see today work on a customer-centric approach. Now, design thinking can be applied to a product. It could be applied to a service and your mobile apps. For products, it's typically the features. For service, it could be the layout, theme, and the service provided by the service provider. And in case of mobile apps, it's typically the features and the user interface that make your life easy. Amazon back in the day came out with something called as a one-click patent. कि आप click करो, आपका address, credit card सब saved है, payment हो जाएगा, जो हम आज use करते हैं. Making our life easy when we GPay or shop on any particular channel or shop on any other website. Now moving on to the next part of this video, that is the 3 lenses of design thinking. Now before you actually be like, okay, this is the customer issue, let's solve it, you need to keep these 3 parameters in mind. And they are desirability, feasibility, and viability. Let's start with desirability. Desirability means design a product or launch a product or service that consumers actually want. The best example of desirability would be the Nike hijab launch in 2017. Where a lot of women in the Middle East and Malaysia could not wear sports gear majorly because of Islamic norms. Well, Nike realized there's a big hidden potential here and they went ahead and launched the Nike hijab, thus unlocking an entire potential in the Middle East and Malaysia. A product that was actually desired by women. Moving on to the next angle of feasibility. Abhi product aapko launch karna hai, service launch karna hai, but you need to look inside in your own company and see whether you have the resources for it. If you do not have the resources for it, you definitely can't do it. Even if you have the resources, whether it's money or manpower, you have to focus on one clean aspect. कि आप product service को खुद बनाएंगे या आप किसी को outsource करेंगे. Now today, a lot of companies have started outsourcing their products. The best example in this case could be Apple itself. They design the products in California and they are assembled either in China or India because that is more feasible for them. Right? And this particular aspect is applied for a lot of FMCG products also. Like in India itself, Pepsi is being bottled and sold by Varun Beverages. It's applied to a lot of detergent brands. It is applied to a lot of other FMCG products under the bandwagon of HUL and P&G. And moving on to the third lens now, and that is the lens of viability. That is the product service that you plan to design and launch. Will it be profitable for you in the long run? Again, if you look at Apple very clearly, with revenues almost hitting $400 billion, their net profits are close to $100 billion annually. That is the reason they have the flexibility to build an entire ecosystem and still exist in the market. So in this video, what we've understood is that design thinking is not how it looks, how it functions, and the 3 lenses of design thinking. In our next video, we're going to talk about the process of design thinking. Thank you and easy array.